Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So yeah, I just don't want to show you messy grass. This is where I cut, obviously, and here I didn't. There's a reason why I didn't cut over here, is because I am growing some plants. Specifically, I'm growing some squash varieties here, and this video is about how to get free seeds. And so it's not quite exactly free seeds, because the first time you do have to make an investment. You're going to have to buy the particular squash in this case, and then you're going to have to save the seeds. Now granted, you're going to have to make sure it's as close to organic as possible, and definitely not GMO. But thereafter, you can save the seeds and then you can keep it going forever. So here's an example of my spaghetti squash right here. You see the nice flowers there, and you see a bunch of the petals, the leaves. And here is one of the spaghetti squashes that I'm about to pick out and eat soon. And so last year I went to the store. I think these were purchased at Aldi, but whether it's Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, any of those guys, and make sure it doesn't have a GMO label on it. And so I bought this, obviously ate it, saved the seeds, dried them out nicely. And I planted it this year, and lo and behold, I got this guy. So obviously it was an experiment. It's an heirloom variety of seeds. That's why it reproduced. And now I'll have seeds forever, because as soon as I go ahead and consume that guy, I'll do it all over again. I'll save the seeds and I'll replant. And so yeah, here's the fruit of it all, the vegetables here. Here's another one that's kind of nice. Oops. Here's another one if it focuses in, and another one here. So yeah, all this from one spaghetti squash that I purchased for a few dollars, and now it's giving me seeds for free for forever. That's it. Alrighty, enjoy and good luck.